Hello friends, welcome back to my channel, and today I'm back with a brand new product for review. And in today's video we are going to review the Catch Coriander Powder. So guys, this is the coriander powder from Catch, also known as Dhaniya Powder in India. So it is from the company Catch. Catch is a popular spice brand in India, and you get a lot of different spices from Catch available. And today what I have with me is the Catch Coriander Powder. So guys, let's dive into the packaging of this product first of all. So guys, in terms of packaging, it comes in this simple packaging, green color coriander powder, colored itself, mainly green color packaging right here, with the Catch branding right on top. So we have the Catch branding right here. Name of the product is coriander powder. The illustration of the powder is shown here. Then there is low temperature grinding spices. So these spices are ground at low temperatures, which helps in preserving their flavors. So low temperature grinding helps in preserving the flavors of the spices. Moving on, here we have the pure vegetarian symbol, so there's no non-vegetarian ingredient in that. Moving on to the back of the pack. On the back also we can see the Catch branding twice, once here, right? Coriander powder written right here in English, and here in Hindi, Dhania powder. It's also mentioned in multiple other Indian languages here, 4 other Indian languages. Shelf life is 12 months, so shelf life of this coriander powder is 12 months, and the net weight of this packet is 100 grams. So this is a 100 gram packet that we have right here. Moving on to the price of the product, the Catch coriander powder is priced at rupees 42. The MRP of this is rupees 42. If you are looking to buy this, it's available online on Amazon, and then the price is rupees 30. So guys, moving on to the other side. The other side, they have all the license numbers mentioned right here, right? All license numbers are mentioned right here, and it says DS, brand owned by DS Intellectual Properties LLP. You can also buy Catch Masalas online on Amazon, like I said once, and they also have their own website, which is catchfoods.com, where they also sell these masalas. So it's available there as well. Now let's talk about the coriander powder. So coriander powder is a very versatile spice and adds a very different flavor to the food. So the reason for me buying this today is basically I was in a mood to have some paya soup, and one of the main ingredients for paya soup is coriander powder, and hence I purchased this pack. So very flavorsome, very high in flavor, and we are just going to check that out in some time, like once I open this pack. So guys, we are going to do a quickly unbox it or unpack it and check out the spice powder itself. So guys, I'm going to open this pack right now, and then we are going to look at how the spice looks. So one thing I didn't like about the packaging of Catch is basically it comes like, it's not only Catch, any of these spice powders come as like direct open packets, like that. No resealable, it's not sealable, right? So which becomes difficult, like you need something to store it, and you need a dabba thing. I know that everybody has like spice dabbas, but yeah, it would be beneficial, right, for like people who are staying alone and all, like to like just have like resealable pouches, which would help. Anyways, so let's look at the dhania powder. As soon as I opened the packet, amazing aroma of coriander spice can be felt right here. So guys, this is the Catch coriander powder. This is how it looks. Nice earthy green color, and has a very strong aroma of coriander with it. So definitely a good powder here from Catch. So I'm going to go use it, and definitely if you guys have used it before, let me know in the comment section how was your experience with Catch coriander powder. And guys, if you like this video, don't forget to hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more such amazing videos.